My name is Krista Elizabeth, and I teach busy professional women how to permanently transform their body, double their energy, and feel better without missing out on delicious food. So if you're wondering, what causes cravings? Cravings are caused by some kind of an imbalance for the most part. Now I will explain the common imbalances that cause cravings. The first factor that can cause cravings is an overgrowth of bad gut microbes in your GI tract. Bad bacteria's favorite food is sugar. Do you frequently have nighttime sugar cravings? You could have an overgrowth of bad gut microbes in your GI tract. This is very common, as there are a variety of different lifestyle factors that can throw off the balance of healthy bacteria in your GI tract. Factors such as drinking tap water that contains chlorine and fluoride, eating conventional animal products as it contains antibiotic residue, a high-stress lifestyle, spending too much time on our screens at night. The GI tract contains 10% good bacteria, 10% bad bacteria, and 80% opportunistic bacteria. So supporting healthy gut bacteria is fundamental if you want to eliminate cravings and achieve sustainable weight loss. Also, poor gut health can lead to low serotonin, which is a feel-good brain chemical, which can also cause cravings. Curious to know if bad bacteria is causing your out-of-control cravings? Then be sure to stay till the end of this video because I'm going to be giving you an opportunity to have a quick chat with me for free. Factor number 2, following a diet that is almost entirely removes a macronutrient, okay? Macronutrients are protein, carbs, and fats. I've done basically every diet that you can think of, and I found that I had the most cravings when I followed a ketogenic diet and a bodybuilding diet. Ketogenic diet has basically zero starch and carbohydrates. Bodybuilding diet is very low in fat. So since the body craves balance, it will have a tendency to crave what's missing. Also, with a diet that has almost no fat, this will generally cause a spike and a crash in our blood sugar levels, which then has your brain telling you that you need a quick source of fuel, also known as sugar, right? That's where the cravings come in. And basically all of my vegan and vegetarian clients, they always complain about sugar cravings before I dial in their diet and eliminate their cravings for good. And what's common about the vegan and vegetarian diet is it's more based on carbohydrates and fats and less on protein, right? So this is where the cravings come in. Do you see the pattern here? Sure, different diets such as the ketogenic diet, the vegan or vegetarian diets can work really well for certain individuals. It can come down to one's genetics and also what may be therapeutic at a certain time in a person's life. But when cravings are concerned, a diet that has a balanced amount of carbohydrates, protein, and fat is generally best for reducing cravings if your goal is sustainable weight loss. Another factor that can cause cravings are hormonal imbalances. Are you craving salt? This can be due to stressed out adrenal glands. Are you craving sugar around your period? This can be due to female sex hormone fluctuations or imbalances. Nutritional deficiencies can also cause cravings for different foods, right? So there's many different factors and variables. It just comes down to what's going on in your life and really getting some help to figure out what is causing them so that you can eliminate them. If you are someone who is confused about how to lose weight and wants to finally crack the code on how to eliminate cravings so you can finally achieve the lean, toned, healthy body that you want, I'm offering free 10-minute phone calls to answer your top 2 health, fitness, or weight loss questions. Also, if I have more information about you, I can definitely pinpoint what is causing your cravings. To set up a call with me, then click the link somewhere around this video, or if this is on Instagram, my Instagram profile, and it's gonna take you to my Facebook Messenger, and we can pick a time and a day that works well for both of us, okay? So one more time, click the link somewhere around this video or on my Instagram profile. That's gonna take you to my Facebook Messenger, say hi, and we can book a time that works well for both of us so we can get your health and fitness and craving questions answered. Thank you so much for listening, and have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here, and also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.